Here we go. We are going to English speaking, Tiha.
We have babe, our tourist guide
Yes.
to Diana's
Bath.
Diana's
Bath.
bath.
Mm.
I see.
So we're going
Okay.
in the falls, guys, and for right now we are walking here. Walking here. English speaking.
We are walking because we are not running.
We'll see how this
If we
goes.
are running, we are not walking.
Hello.
Hi, good morning. Good morning.
So we are going in the Diana's bath. So we'll see how it is. Goes there. Yes, we have a videographer here. So we'll see. How is it? We are looking beautiful.
Our attire because it's too cold here.
It is a month of May. May? No, John. Welcome to the John. First day of John. Welcome to first day of John.
Chilling, chilling.
Huh.
Our theme song is chilling, chilling.
We're here, guys. Look at that. Our view is very nice. And we'll see. We'll see. This one is Diana's Bath in Conway, North Conway.
North Conway.
So we check in the Marriott Hotel, and now we are already checked out, and we are checking for the falls. Even it's very cold. Very cold. Even it's very cold, guys. We are going there. No one can stop.
Even it's very cold, we feel warm.
Yeah, it is. A little bit hike, not much.
Naninigas ang
Ayan.
paluin kahit walang siyang medyas.
Yan, si Ate Wing parang tinipos.
Parang Eskimo.
Parang tinipos. Ayan. Here we go. Have the water a little bit. Don't step the water. So, I am a tourist guide for right now. Temporary. It's been a long time and I've been here, but I love it. Some people take swimming there, and Rachel jumped there on the water. When we went here with I and Rachel,
We are tiring ourselves, but tonight we are going to work again.
I'm working tonight,
God.
but I'm here in Conway. The time check is 9 o'clock, 9:30. Whew. It's a little bit hike. A little bit. Walang akyat dito, drop lang to. Walang ano to, akyat. So walang akyat dito, walang akyat. Yeah, you are. A little bit water here. Look at that, it's very nice. Ah. First thing, it's cold. Cold. Little bit cold, guys. It's a little bit cold. These videos don't have filter. No filter. Ayan yung dalawa, oh. We are almost there. 2 minutes, we are gonna be there.
Ano na pala? Oasis.
See, 4 minutes, we are almost there. Wala pa umabot ng 10 minutes. I'm gonna stop. Bye-bye for now. See you, alligator.